morning, good afternoon. Out here working, getting in the motor mounts, getting them dirty dingoes on there. Got the intake off. Got that over there. Out here working. See my little setup seat built. Get it up. Hey, what's happening, guys? So, as you can see, I got the driver's side header on, and I went from the top. Got the engine hoist on here, so just stayed it right on in. The only thing that I do see is I'm hoping that I clear the steering shaft down here. Once I set it back down, got some of the engine, the dirty dingoes on there. That's my next project with the dirty dingoes. I'm just kind of sort of bouncing everywhere. Still haven't got that bolt off from yesterday. Down right there. You can see it. Still on there. I might end up having to cut it off. So I'll do a video on that. I'm cutting off that bolt and getting it up out of there. But I'm happy. It looks very good. And plenty enough clearance. Plenty enough clearance. So stay tuned. I'll give you any more progress. I relocated my grounds. I got another ground down there. I relocated those. Kind of can see how I got this going on. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's where I'm at right now. Just teetering around. I'm gonna put the last couple bolts in on this side, and then I'll take a break. See you soon.